So who is Chris Nudo? Well, first and foremost, I am a follower of Jesus Christ, and that defines everything about me. The fact that I'm a lawyer of 33 years and a husband who's been married 31 years. I have 2 incredible boys, but at the end of the day, helping families is where I get the greatest fulfillment. Helping them plan for some of their darkest, most difficult times and helping them do it in a way that makes life easier is where I gain my greatest joy. First of all, I always like to say that estate planning is a love language. It really is. Now, I know it's not touch and acts of service and all that stuff, but if I was going to rewrite that book, definitely estate planning would be a love language, because the plan is not designed to benefit you. The plan is designed to benefit the ones you leave behind. When an event planner reaches out to me, what can they expect? Well, the first thing they can expect is gratitude, as I love to educate people. And then you're gonna learn that I'm incredibly flexible and willing to adapt to your environment and your situation, and most importantly, the audience in which you'd like me to communicate with. People have safes at home, you know? And what happens is they take this wonderful plan that I've designed and they put it in the safe. Why? Because it's secure, right? It's a fireproof safe. It's flood-proof. Noah could put it on his ark and everything would be okay, right? What's the problem? Nobody knows the combination. I like to get to know the planner. I want to know their expectation for the event. I want to understand their vision. I want to talk to them about the tone, the mood, the environment in which we're going to be speaking in. And all of that comes from developing a relationship with the event planner. Now, I know in every family, there's one that manages the money and one that doesn't. I became an estate planning attorney because I really saw the difficulty that families were going through when parents and aunts and uncles and even children passed away, and there was not a plan in place. There was just chaos. And so I was drawn to helping families get through these very painful times by organizing their lives, by putting a plan together that ultimately didn't remove the pain, but definitely removed the burden of the unknown when it came to transferring the estate from one generation to the other. An estate is simple. It's everything you own. Homes, accounts, retirement, insurance, personal property. It's you, right? From a systems perspective, it's the sum total of decisions others will make for you when you can no longer make them. What can you expect when you hire Christopher Nudo? Very simply, you're going to hire somebody who cares as much about your event as you do. I'm going to apply all that you've asked from me to deliver exactly why it is you chose me in the first place. That symbiotic relationship between you and me should pull off an amazing event.